As you guys know, Sharun and Devinder went on a trip to China a couple of months back to get some amazing gadgets that we can show to you guys. Along with some great devices we have already shown you, they also got some really weird yet very cool phones. Yes, this is a phone here. Well, it's time we show them to you. Hey guys, this is Rupesh from Vivum.com and today I'm going to show you some really interesting phones. Sure, you'll find some of them a little weird, but what the heck, it should be fun. Anyway, before we get started, how about you hit the bell icon to get notified every time we post an awesome new video. Also, this video has been brought to you by Phone Monitor, which lets you remotely monitor any activity of an Android or iOS device. I'll talk more about Phone Monitor at the end of this video, so stay tuned for that. Now, let's get weird. Let's see some weird phones. This here is the L8 Star 3310. It's not actually named 3310, but I'll call it 3310 because hey, obviously. I mean, there's no doubt about where L8 Star got the design inspiration from. Anyway, as you can see, this is a really tiny phone. It's so light and small that there have been times when I've forgotten it's in my pocket. And by the way, I keep this phone in this tiny pocket. So if you thought these pockets are useless, well, they just got useful. To be honest, when I first saw this phone, I thought it was just a toy phone or something. But yeah, it's not. I put my SIM card in this thing and it worked. Although yeah, making calls with this tiny phone was weird. It's so small, it felt like the phone would go in my ear. So yeah, it's a tiny phone, but it's a pretty feature-packed phone for its size. It's got a 350 mAh battery, dual SIM support. Yeah, that's something not even the real 3310 packs. This tiny thing even packs in a slot for micro SD cards. That is insane. There's no headphone jack or the Snake's game though. That would have made this perfect. Jokes apart, this is a phone that people actually buy in China because it was available in most stores there, so it should be a good sell. This here is the Galaxy S8. Yeah, it's not, but it's a pretty nice S8 clone. The Climal S8, yes, I'm just going to call it that, has the same front curved design like the S8 and it looks good until you power it on. Yeah, it's not an infinity display. In fact, I'd say it's pretty finite. Yeah, there's the tiny display along with the capacitive buttons below. Now let's flip the phone and you'll see that even the back looks a lot like the S8. But instead of glass, the Climal S8 uses metal because hey, premium. There's also the fingerprint scanner here, but it does not have the fingerprint scanner issues of the S8 because it's not a fingerprint scanner. Yeah, that's just a dent. Anyway, there's also the camera here, which, what do I say, you can see how amazing it is. Yeah, I'm kidding, this is obviously a feature phone clone of the S8. There's dual SIM support in this cute little thing, and I tried out our Indian SIM cards on it and it works fine. Plus, it has WeChat and QQ chat installed, so I guess it's a higher end feature phone. I mean, if you've always wanted a feature phone that looks like the S8, I guess this is it. This here is the X6, and it has to be the coolest weird phone. First of all, it does not have a notch like the Nokia X6, and that itself wins it brownie points. Secondly, it's the sleekest phone I have ever used. Just look at how slim it is. I mean, it can easily pass as a credit card. In fact, I even carried it in my wallet for a few days and nobody even noticed it, including me, because it's just so light. I just can't explain it to you guys. You have to feel it in your hands to know what I'm talking about. Anyway, the front of this phone reminds me of a calculator and the back of this phone has this fall leather design that reminds me of the Galaxy Note 3. So basically, it's a very nostalgic phone. Nostalgia aside, I know it's a weird looking phone, but if you honestly ask me, I think it's pretty cool. Now let's talk about Phone Monitor, sponsors for this video. Phone Monitor lets you remotely supervise your kid's smartphone or your employee's smartphone with ease. Once you've set things up on the target phone, you can use Phone Monitor to monitor calls, text messages, location, browsing history, social media apps, media, and a lot more. And you can do all of that remotely from just anywhere through the Phone Monitor website. Phone Monitor supports both Android and iOS, and you don't need root access or jailbreak. The plans start at $29.99 per month, so check out Phone Monitor from the link in the description down below. Well, those were 3 weird yet super cool phones we got from China. So how do you like them? Tell us in the comment section below. Also tell us if you'd like to see more videos on weird gadgets like these. And yeah, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends who deserve these weird phones. Lastly, subscribe to our channel because we may be weird, but we make some amazing tech videos. Well, that's me signing off. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.